how to use Twitter and tweet. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's get started right away. Now first, when you create a new account, you can't really see anything here on the home page. It's just kind of empty, and because you don't really follow anyone. So then, in order to actually follow people, you can go to like the search tab and then search for people. So let's say you would search for PlayStation here. I'm just gonna unfollow them real quick, and you would follow them. Then you see like find more like PlayStation to follow. Click on discover more, and here you can, for example, see all kinds of accounts that you might like that are connected to PlayStation, for example. So here you can like follow some more people and stuff like that. Now to actually post something, you want to go to you click on the top left corner, go to profile, and here at the bottom right you can click on this picture there, and here you can kind of just tweet something. So you can add a message, you can also add a picture, a GIF, and all kinds of stuff like that. So just click on tweet, and that's kind of just how you can tweet something. You can also retweet stuff. So if you would go to like Ubisoft or something and then click on on this tweet, for example, here you can see a comment like icon, a retweet icon, a like icon, and a share icon. So I'm just gonna like it, then click on retweet like this. We've now retweeted something, and yeah, that's just kind of it. So if you go back to your profile, then here you can see that we retweeted that. So yeah, that's kind of it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.